I would like to show you how to take a values assessment. To access the assessment, click on the link you have been given. If the survey is running in more than one language, choose your language. Take a moment to read the instructions, and when you are ready, click the Continue button. Usually, you will then come to a demographics page where you are asked to select the options which apply to you. This is an example, and for your survey this page may be different. Once you have made your selection, click Continue. Next you will come to the first of 3 questions. Please note that the list of values may be longer than you can see on the screen, so remember to scroll down to the bottom of the page to ensure you can see all the values from which to make your selection. This first question asks about your personal values. To demonstrate, I am going to click on the first 10 values, but you should take some time to look through the full list and make sure the 10 values you choose are a true reflection of who you are. Then click Continue. You are next asked to choose the values which most reflect how your organisation currently operates. Again, scroll down to review the full list and make your choices carefully. You are asked to select 10 values. If you choose fewer or more than 10 values and try to continue, you will get an error message like this. You need to click OK to acknowledge the message and then either select or deselect values until you have exactly 10. Then you can continue. The final question is the desired culture question. Read the question and again scroll down the full list and select the 10 values which reflect your desired culture. Note that the list of values in your assessment may vary to that shown here. Next, hit Submit. You will then see a page that confirms you have completed the assessment.